Are you ready to take control of your future and start your own business? Because today, I'm walking you through how to start a cleaning business step by step. Cleaning businesses are in high demand and can be incredibly profitable. Best of all, you can start with minimal investment. So grab your notepad because this is going to be good. Before diving in, you need to understand the cleaning industry. Ask yourself, who is your target market? Residential, commercial, or both? What services will you offer? Basic cleaning, deep cleaning, or specialized services like carpet cleaning? Who are your competitors, and what can you offer that sets you apart? Take time to explore your local market and write down your findings. This groundwork will set you up for success. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy MBA for this. Your business plan should include your services and pricing, your startup budget, marketing strategies, and goals for growth. A simple plan can guide your decisions and attract potential investors if needed. This part might not be glamorous, but it's crucial. Register your business name and decide on a structure: sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Next, check local laws for any necessary permits or licenses. And don't forget about insurance. Liability insurance protects you and your clients in case of accidents. Now for the fun part, getting your tools of the trade. Here's what you'll need to start. Basic cleaning supplies like sprays, mops, and microfiber cloths. Heavy-duty equipment if you're offering deep cleaning services. A reliable vehicle to transport everything. Start simple and upgrade as your business grows. Time to spread the word. Start by creating a professional logo and business cards. Then use these strategies. Social media. Post before and after photos, cleaning tips, and customer reviews. Local advertising. Think flyers, community boards, and partnerships with local businesses. Word of mouth. Ask your first clients to refer you to friends and family. It's the most powerful marketing tool. Your reputation is everything in this business. Show up on time, pay attention to detail, and go the extra mile. Happy clients lead to glowing reviews and repeat business. Use simple tools like spreadsheets or accounting software to track income and expenses. Pay attention to what services are most profitable and adjust your strategies as needed. Once you've nailed the basics, it's time to grow. Hire employees, invest in more equipment, or branch into specialized services like eco-friendly cleaning or post-construction cleanup. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your very own cleaning business. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, this is your chance to turn hard work into a thriving business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who dreams of being their own boss, and subscribe for more business tips. Drop a comment below. What's the first step you're going to take to start your cleaning business? Thanks for watching, and here's to building your dream.